Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to combine two videos into one in CapCut PC using Massive. Alright, so import your videos you like to edit, and I'm going to select two videos and move one video to up. Yeah, make it as an overlay, move up, and adjust for duration in the same lane. Alright, how to combine? You can yeah, select mesh, select split, and sorry, go back, select the overlay and select mesh and select split, and rotate into 90 degrees. So select first clip, so and you can just for the position like this, swipe to the left and select the overlay and turn off the mesh, and you can swipe to the right like so, turn on again and swipe for the mesh to the right like so. That's it, super simple. That's how you can combine two videos into one using mesh in CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.